Equations. Math practice. An equation means that the two sides are equal. For example, the red car is equal to the red car. A treasure is equal to the treasure. ABC is equal to ABC. The house is equal to the house. In mathematics, 1 is equal to 1. 500 is equal to 500. When you sum two numbers, 1 plus 2 equals 3 is the same as 2 plus 1, which also equals 3. When we subtract, it's not the same. 1 minus 2 equals -1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. And here is the numbers line that shows it. Equations when solving subtractions. When you're looking for numbers placed in these two positions, you will always think about addition. Let's look at some examples. In the equation on the left, we're looking for the number in this position. The first thing you must do is to solve what you know. You notice that the complete set to solve is on the right. 6 minus 3. So we will start with that. 6 minus 3 equals 3. So we place number 3 on the other side as well. And then we say 3 plus 0 equals 3. You can see that 3 minus 0 equals 3. And 6 minus 3 also equals 3. 3 equals 3. In the equation on the right, we're looking for the number in this position. We're going to start with a set that we can solve. 12 minus 9, which is equal to 3. And then we place a 3 on the other side. So we say 3 plus 7 equals 10. And here we have it. 12 minus 9 equals 3. 10 minus 7 equals 3. 3 equals 3. Equations when solving subtractions. When the numbers are in these positions, always think about subtraction. Let's see some examples. In the example on the left, we're trying to find the number in this position. We're going to start by solving what we know, which is 18 minus 2. 18 minus 2 equals 16. Then we write 16 on the other side. 16 minus 16 equals 0. 16 minus 0 equals 16. 18 minus 2 equals 16. 16 equals 16. In the example on the right, we're looking for the number in this position. We're going to start by solving what we know. 9 minus 8 equals 1. Now we're going to transfer that number to the right. Now we're going to subtract that number from 7. 7 minus 1 equals 6. 9 minus 8 equals 1. 7 minus 6 equals 1. 1 equals 1. I hope this helps you to solve other equations.